Ya kormo ikaka pilene lwe namba ma tudok mararia deka uchiel nono yuda chiel ka chiel YouTube, Facebook ka chiel kod X mar Ramogi tigi ka chiel kod mara uchingi Manuel mano YouTube igo kod mbaka kendi nyisa ni to in gi paro mane weche manyien mokelo ni gi elaka sechegi bed kode chakruok nyaka giko nyinga Ochieng Emmanuel. Kawachako eni ogai mar doho maduong' Martha Koome onyiso luoro mare wi kaka bad migao mar doho biro chopo kare tije mag chiwo ratiro ne oganda kaluwore ni ondusi budget madhine doho e komenda ma 2024 2025. Kolose romo mokelo kanyakla jombetre mawuok e pinje maoko, Koome ywakni ng'ikruok biro bede chiwo chenro mag doho kaluwore kod rem kata nok mar pesa. Migao mar doho ne oketne tenge mano omenda mar shillings bilion 21.6, taro mar dwaro mar shillings bilion 44.9.
Security, especially the security for judges, magistrates, and staff, because we have even witnessed incidences where we are being shot at when we are doing our work in court. Because of those insecurities, we have had to pull down the makeshift courts which we had, like at Makandara Court. We had to pull down the tents, and therefore now we are short of courts where we can discharge justice. We are in a state where judges are being threatened, they are being stalked, their security is being withdrawn, and that keeps me awake. The other thing that keeps me awake, you have heard of budgetary cuts, but what really touches me is the one on technology. Because we have held technology with the support of most of you, almost with our teeth, to see to it that we have e-filing, that Kenyans can file their documents in court from wherever they are. They do not have to travel to court. Now, when you hear the ICT budget is cut to zero, our servers are getting old and tired because of too many cases being filed. And we cannot be able to renew those servers. That, dear friends, keeps me awake at night.